Good morning, traders. John from Cryptocurrency Trading. Just having a quick update on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets. And looking at it today, we've got a bit of a decline happen. We're bouncing on support, resistance, and resistance. And we've got a 50 just below that. So, here between resistance and the 50 is pretty much going to be where, it's going to be in its holding pattern before we actually either break out or break down. At this stage, it could do anything, but we've got to have a look from where it came from. We've had some, massive volume that's come in here down at these lows. We've got excellent reversal candles, we've got good volume pushes and candle pushes as well. And all the way back down here, and we've done the same again for the second time, making a new higher low. So, and then a massive big push there with excellent volume, and it's come up and hit resistance. So what's going to be strongest? Is the 50 going to be stronger or the resistance going to be stronger? So we're probably just going to be bobbing around in between here before we break out into one of these over the next day or week. But between here and there, see, this is the part of the reason why we place our stop losses a good portion away so that we don't, if you get your stop losses in way too close, you're going to get knocked out a lot. So we don't want that. And on our first position, if we're risking 1% and it goes well for us, even if we didn't buy many, it's still a very, very good solid position for us to be in. And, for me, I'm happy to be in this position. And, it's just, like a bit of a down day and an upward move, as far as I'm concerned. So I'm not really too concerned about it at this stage. If my stops get hit, that's just what happens. But here I can see that we've got very good support. Stochastics are coming out of oversold, which basically means that there was a huge withdrawal of energy and money basically in these markets. Now it's turned and things are changing. There's a lot of energy and money coming back into the markets, both from this low and from this low. So is that resistance level strong enough to keep us down, or is the 50 strong enough to hold support? We'll have to wait and see. So just over the next couple of days, I'm sure we will see. But here we do have a Harami that says basically that the buying has stopped. It doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to be going in a downtrend. It just means exactly that the buying has stopped for now. So anyway, we'll just have to wait and see what happens with that. Zcash, I didn't actually get into that trade. I checked it, so I'm not in Zcash, but I'm not really. It's not too much of a bother really. If I get in, good. If I don't get in, well, it's just one of those things. Here I do have a low ball entry for Neo if I manage to get it. What did that come down to last night? So the low there was 22.96, 70 cents away. But I'll just keep that entry there. I mean, if I get it, good. If I don't, well, we'll just have to go from there, wait and see. But having a look at this here, I did actually get into this position here. Where did I get in? At the just above the open of this candle here. So as soon as I saw that we had a 2 candle pullback and we got like it's a bit more than an engulfing pattern, it opened, it gapped up on the open, traded off a little bit and then took off. So there was quite a bit of strength in this candle here. So anyway, on the opening of this day here, I bought in just there, and I was looking at getting in. I really did want to get in at this price here, but I was kind of hesitant in the same token as well, thinking that, okay, well, if it bounces up there and pulls back, I don't really, there's not enough profit in here for me to be entering a second time. So what I'm actually looking at now with this one, because I do like this one, because it's, there's so much energy that's gone into this, and, so I don't actually know where this is going to find support, whether it's going to be on there or on here, but it will find support at some stage. And, once it takes off, pulls back, I want it to find support either on this one here, on this line here, or on this line here. But as soon as I get like an engulfing pattern or something happen, I'd like to see a pullback. If I see a pullback, like this 2 candle pullback here, something below the 9, and then an engulfing above the 9, or even a pullback to below these highs here, or even on these highs here, and then a takeoff from there and engulfing, I'll be entering the market for the second time on this one. Moving on. So yeah, a few down days in these here. So here, I mean, I don't even know why engine's on that one, because we're making lower highs and lower lows with the 9 EMA, which is not very good. Yep, I'm still in Mana, so I haven't stopped out of Mana. I'm just going to hold that position, see what happens. This one here, yep, there was nothing there. Lower highs and lower lows for the 9 EMA. And this one here, yep, still in Avalanche. So here, it's still, all we're doing at this stage is we've found support on the 200 and the 50. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens with this one here. But same again, we've got stochastics coming out of oversold. We've got excellent reversal candles back at these lows. And we've got engulfing candles that were taking us above these moving averages. So, you know, the support that is around here, it's there, but you know, we'll just have to wait and see. Are we going to find support at the 50 and 200? I mean, it's a great meeting place. You know, we'll wait and see what happens there. And this one here, I'm in this one, yes, and we'll just wait and see what happens here again, you know. But the thing I do like about this one is the 9 is making low, high, high, low, but we found rejection here with the 50. We do have very good support here. We're engulfing here and an engulfing that took us above the 9 for the second time after this first round. So we'll wait and see what happens. If we get a nice closing above the 50 with this one here, I will be entering in like a larger position, or buying more according to our rules. Okay, traders, I hope this has helped. Just a very quick one today. If you have any questions, if you need any help with anything, let me know. I'm always around. Happy to help. Talk to you soon. See you.